What's up guys? This is Brent with 24/7 Parts, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reload the Stihl Auto Cut C6-2 trimmer head. Now the Auto Cut C6-2 is going to be a quick spool trimming head. So what that means is that if we look here on this trimmer head, we've got arrows on the outside of the spool here and on the inner piece. Now, this piece, of course, is removable. If you ever get those jam ups, you can take this out. But to load this, you do not have to open up the housing here to load the string into this head. So what we would do is push this down, get it lined up with the arrows here, and then we would go ahead and cut off our piece of string. Now the C6-2 is the smaller head. The step up to that is going to be the 26-2, which is going to be for larger trimmers. This one here is going to be for smaller trimmers, therefore it's going to have a smaller capacity for string. Now it will be able to hold two different sizes of string. 0.095 is going to be the largest string that can go in this head, but you can also put in the 0.080 as well. So we're gonna start here with the 0.095, no matter if you're at this size of line or if you're at the 0.080. Both of these sizes of string are only going to be 13 feet that can go into this head. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off a piece here of this string and then get it loaded up. Now I always do sort of a rough measure here. I'm about 5'10", so I round up, to 6 feet. Any of us that are 5'10" always round up to 6 feet. So we'll say that's 6 feet there. And then 6 feet there, and we're gonna call that good. Even though that's only 12, we could go about a foot more, but we're gonna go ahead and cut that off there at 12. All right, just like that. Now, like I said, we've got our arrows lined up. These arrows are going to indicate where our eyelets are on each side. And so what happens here is that once these arrows are lined up, there is a free space going all the way through the center of this head for us to stick our line through. So we're gonna go ahead and start by sticking this in one side. All right, and then once we push that through, we'll have it coming out the other side. Now what we're trying to do here is pull this string through to be able to get it even on both sides. So if we put that through a ways here, then we can grab both sides. And we see that this end here still needs to come through just a little bit. We pull these out and we are pretty close to even there. So we would just stop right there. And then next what we're looking at is our slots here in this gray piece. And so since they are made for our fingers to twist like this, then what we're going to start doing is pushing this down and winding it up. And on the C26-2, this is actually a lot easier process if we leave this on the machine. As you can see here, whenever I'm twisting, that's trying to pop out. And that's because nothing is holding the center cap in to this other than the notches that are inside of this housing. Whereas on a 26-2, this top is being held on by a cap. So it makes it a whole lot easier if we leave this on the machine, but it can be done with it off of. So what we're looking to do here is get this wound up to where we have what looks like the correct length that we would want sticking out. Now we went a little bit short here, but now you can see that we do have a little bit of excess. So we would want to trim this off. Now, once we were to get this on the machine, we'd want to tap this on the ground a few times because this is still a tap action head. Tap this on the ground a few times, it'll let that string come out and then cut off on our shroud there to make sure it's the exact length that it's supposed to be for that machine. But loading the Stihl Easy Spool AutoCut C6-2 head is just as easy as that. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Hope this video helped you out. And if it did, we just ask that you would hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps us out as well. Also, if you guys need any parts for your John Deere equipment, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.